a new place in apartment if you hate going to apartment. I apologize. Ooh, did I do the mission? Okay, I want a pirate hat. No, I don't want that train. I don't want the train. Boom, boom, boom. I want to get the eyelashes. Some sort of accessories. No, diamond. I got enough diamond today. Alright, I'm going to show you the new place that you did not know. Oh, it's that place. Okay, just go in there. And you arrive to this beautiful palace. Then you just go, and you just click, yes! I just click it. Okay, and then the magic will start. Oops, it's a box. No, try again later. No, we're not, because I'm doing a freaking YouTube. Okay. Yeah, don't just judge me with that new thing. Yeah, I don't want to get hacked. What do you want? Alright, we just go there. Look at how Christmas tree. It's prettier than like Overlook Bay. I'm kidding. I'm not hating on Overlook Bay. I'm just saying. Alright. Okay, can I get a hotel? Can I get a hotel? Can I get a hotel? Is it a hotel or apartment? Because it does not make any sense. She said hola? Hola, minions! Don't speak English. Perfecto. This is perfect. Perfecto. Then I'm not going to get a hotel since that's not good. Then I'm just going to go for free. Perfect. I'm just going to free for it in a hotel. That's my best Christmas list. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Thank you. I got a free hotel. Yes. 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 When people are so dumb. Yes, I got a free hotel. Please be a nice one. Please change the apartment. Okay. It's the place that is new, but I don't know what's happening to the apartment. Oh, I'll click basic. Can I? I'm Santa! Okay. Okay. Ooh! 1, 2. Ta-da! Oh my goodness. I can't. I really want to. Okay. And you can just beep again and look at the Christmas tree there. Perfect. Okay, now we're just going to bath in front of the window and then everyone will see you that you're naked. Ha ha ha. Ha ha. Ah! Okay. Okay, now we're just going to go here and close the door because no one will have to see you. Because it's creepy. And now look at that. Why there's a plane inside of the fucking house. Oh my god. Can I jump? No! I can't jump. I can do a snowman! But from where did the... What? From where did that snow came up to here? Okay. That's kind of weird. Oh, look! A fireplace outside and the snow is raining on it. It didn't turn off. Look at these presents. And the fridge is decorated. That's perfect. And one of them will fall. Oh my goodness. Or even the cabinet, and you want to really take something to do an ingredient, and you just like, oh look, 5 seconds, they're burned, bro. Can I take some? Can I? Hey, again. I guess no cookies for me. Ooh, these are finished. Oh, my teddy is falling down. Okay, never mind. Let's see what's inside. Did it get the? How did they get in here and write something? Whatever. Look at that bed! What the? What the? Why is mine red? Oh, alright. What the heck? Who is this? I don't even know her! Alright. Why there's literally like there? Okay. Look at this place. Even your bedroom is decorated. Ooh! This is my favorite pop. When Santa short video. I know, it's only because of the stupid update. Even the roof. Wow. The ceiling. Okay. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this video, and even, yes, thank you for watching this video. Okay. Goodbye!